So where is the field of autonomous robotics going? I think if there's one significant development path that is going to drive a lot of advancement, it's the sophisticated visual input that cameras can do in terms of creating that environment in the robot's brain about where it is and where it needs to go. And part of that is just the sophistication of the camera input, but also a part of that is the processing power required to take all that camera input and turn it into meaningful data. And not only is the level of sophistication going up, the cost of those units is going down. So I think you're going to see much more rich ability for autonomous devices to both navigate and avoid obstacles and do incident handling with the use of these more sophisticated cameras and all the processing that takes place on them being driven down in both cost and availability. I think a natural outgrowth of that is the availability of that visual data becoming something that has the potential to be delivered as a service. So the robotic vehicle doesn't have to go out and necessarily gather all that data. That data might have already been gathered by some previous robotic vehicle or even just sort of a survey of that particular area, and that environment could be downloaded just like a Google map or some other type of functionality. So that sort of data as a service and environment as a service is something that we see longer term down the road, but I think it's something that we're all kind of aiming for in terms of making autonomy a much more robust and widespread solution to different problems.